Till question B we have done in the previous class.
Then go
Now
to
we are
the
going to
page
start.
number.
Page number it is on 78. Page number 78. Okay, so I'm not going to write question C completely for you. See, it is written find the next 4 equivalent fractions for the following. No need to write anything. Just look here on the board, everyone. Look here on the board. Written work, I'll just give you. See, we have to write, I'm just going to write next 4 equivalent fractions you have to write. Next 4 equivalent fractions you have to write. For the number given to you, suppose 4 upon 9 is given to you. Okay, 4 upon 9 is given to you and you have to take out its equivalent fractions. So, look here on the board everyone. Wait, carefully look on the board. Okay, 4 upon 9 is given to you. This is the fraction and you have to calculate its 4 equivalent fractions. So, how you are going to do this? You will put an equal to sign. 1 blank, 2 blank, 3 blank and 4 blank. I made 4 blanks. Why? Because it is written 4 equivalent fractions. So I made 4 blanks. This is 1 and other 4 you have to calculate. Okay, so how to calculate it? See, यहाँ 2 का multiple लिखोगे, यहाँ 3, यहाँ 4 और here 5. Okay, small with the rough pencil. Okay, now you will start writing from here. 4 say, you will calculate it. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Okay, here 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 40. But make sure 8 के नीचे 27 नहीं आना चाहिए. 8 के साथ 18 ही आएगा. 8 12 के साथ 18 नहीं आना चाहिए. 12 के साथ 27 ही आएगा anyhow. Okay, so these are next 4 equivalent fractions. ये जो आपने छोटे-छोटे 2, 3, 4 रखे थे इसको रख कर last में. It was for your remembrance. इधर हमें 2 से multiply करनी है, इधर वाले को 3 से, इसको 4 से और इस वाले को 5 से. So I'm going to share my screen for the next question to copy down. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Share the screen. You can start doing from there. Yeah. Here is the question. Start it. You have to do it yourself.
Okay, ma'am. The next one.
Complete it yourself and send me the answer. I want to see your answers. Those who have done, send me the answers.
Ma'am, my camera is not good.
What happened?
Ma'am, my camera is not good.
It's okay. Good. प्रत्युषा बेटा ये नीचे 11 वाले कौन लिखेगा? मैं. Arushi, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me discuss the answers. We are not going to wait so much. Okay. So here, I made 4 blanks. First one I have already told you. Now I'm going to tell you about the second one. From the second one. First I make 4 blanks. Why 4? Why I'm making 4 blanks? 1, 2. Why I'm making 4 blanks?
Because ma'am, find out the 4 equivalent fractions.
Yes, because we have to find out 4 equivalent fractions.
4 equivalent fractions.
Wait a second. They should be equal. Okay, what should I write here? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4.
4,
Okay, 2 threes are
6,
2 threes are 6. 2 fours are
8,
8. 2 fives are
10,
okay. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay,
10,
5 threes are 15.
15,
5 fours are 20.
20,
5 fives are
25.
okay. Very good. Now here I'll mix 4 blanks. Why 4 blanks? Because they are asking for 4 answers, 4 equivalent fractions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will not put comma. Why I'm not putting comma? Why I'm putting is equal to sign here? Can someone tell me?
Because we have to find equal.
Very good. Because we have to find equivalent. Who told me this answer?
Me, then
Pratishtha or Hridyansh? I don't know. Both are saying ma'am.
Nidyansh.
Hridyansh.
Nidyansh.
Okay, Hridyansh. Okay, Mehul. 7 twos are 40. 7 threes are.
Ma'am,
Tell me
I
quickly. Tell me the answer.
21,
21.
21,
Then 7 fours are.
28,
28,
28,
Then
35,
35,
35. Okay, very good. Here 11 ones are 11.
35,
Twos are
22,
22. Here
33,
33,
here
44, 44,
44,
here.
55.
Okay. Now the last one. Okay, equal to another equal to another equal to. Okay. Now, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. Nobody will write 1 here. 1 threes are 3. कोई 1 नहीं लिखेगा इसमें. 5.
5,
Okay, 8 twos are
16,
8 threes are
16,
24,
8 fours are
47,
32,
8 fives are
40.
40. So these are the answers. Check your answers quickly.
Ma'am, all correct.
Check your answers.
Ma'am, please check my.
Beta, why are you sending so late? Those who are saying check my. If first of all you
Ma'am,
do so late work and then you say check my work. Huh? What is this? So beta, who is saying this? Everyone start with question D. Question D. Question D. Yes. If I ask you next time to send your answer, it should be in time. You people become so lazy that you are taking so much time. You are taking so much time to do the answers. You all become so lazy.
Ma'am, this question we have to do from next page.
बेटा कहीं से भी कर लो बट कर लो इसको क्या फ्राज बेटा it is this one is same as question number B. This one is same as question number B. Okay. उसमें we have to check कि हमें divide करना है या multiply करना है. इसमें simply it is written over here that we have to divide it.
Yes, please.
Okay, the first question is, let me tell you the first one. उसके बाद आप कुछ खुद भी कर सकते हो. Wait a second. Oh, here it is. Question number 1 is 18 upon 24. Now look here is equals to, I will give some space over here by dividing, is equals to what? No numerator and no denominator is given to you. And simply they are asking you have to divide it and find out any equivalent fraction. बेटा मल्टीप्लाई करके होना होता तो इजी हो जाता, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 अपॉन 2 कर देते, मल्टीप्लाई, बट दे आर सेइंग दे हैव गिवन यू वन कंडीशन, द कंडीशन इज बाय डिवाइडिंग. You have to find its answer by dividing. How will you do it by dividing? See, we will divide, we have to do the division. Division हम कैसे करेंगे? Look here on the board everyone. Division हम कैसे करेंगे? You will check 18 and 24 दोनों किसकी टेबल में आते हैं? किसकी सेम टेबल में आते हैं? 3.
मैम
6, very good. 3 की टेबल में भी आते हैं. Some of you will say 3 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं दोनों के दोनों, 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. 6 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं दोनों, 6 की टेबल में आते हैं. Some of you will say 2 से भी तो डिवाइड हो रहे हैं दोनों. So none of you is wrong. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. Okay. So see, 18 and 24 is given. As somebody said 6 से हो रहे हैं तो 6 भी ठीक है. कोई कह रहा है कि 3 से हो रहा है वो 3 से भी ठीक है. ठीक है. So first of all I got the answer कि 3 से हो रहे हैं तो 3 से कर देती हूँ मैं. Divide the numerator as well as denominator both by 3. अब 3 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है? When does 18 comes in the table of 3? 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 in the, when does 24 comes in the table of 3?
Ma'am, 17.
Mehul 8 are.
And 3 8 जा.
3 8 are 24. Okay. अच्छा, जैसे रेहान सेड मैम 6 की टेबल में आ रहे हैं दोनों. रेहान सेड कि मैम 6 की टेबल में आ रहे हैं दोनों. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will divide both of them by 6. I'll divide both of them by 6. 6 4s are 24 and 6 3s are 18. Rehansh is also correct. आप ये भी लिख सकते हो तो भी ये करेक्ट होगा, आप ये भी लिखोगे तो भी ये करेक्ट होगा. बट फ्रैक्शन 6 अपॉन 8 ही आना चाहिए. अगर ऊपर 6 आएगा तो नीचे 8 ही आना चाहिए, ऊपर 3 आएगा तो नीचे 4 आना चाहिए. बोथ ऑफ यू आर करेक्ट. ओके, सो यू कैन डू एनी वन ऑफ देम. एक क्वेश्चन के 2 आंसर्स भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, so I'm going to give you more questions. First one is like this only. The second I'm writing here. Second one is 20 upon 50.
Ma'am, please get aside.
Beta, if I will get aside, who will write it? Who will write it if I get aside? You will see the blank board. Huh? Twelve upon 16 is equals to dash. Fourth question is now fifth question is here. You can divide it by any number. You can divide it by any number. Wait a minute, I have just made one mistake that I have to leave some space here in between so that we can do the division here.
Hurry.
Solve it. Solve these one. वेदांत निमानी so much late. गर्व को भी मैंने एब्सेंट मार्क किया, वेदांत को भी. If you'll not attend the classes on time, you will be marked absent. We will discuss the answers of this one in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want one fourth question.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very good. Very good meeting.